Okay, so I received this in the mail. Check it out. It's a lithium ion 20 volt battery for Dewalt products that take 20 volt batteries. So I'm just going to show you this one. It's 6.0 AH. If you look on the bottom of this, its model number is BA001D 18V 6.0 AE 108 watt 20 volt. You can read it right there. There's the specs. And what's cool about this is if you want, you can get your Dewalt charger and you can charge it, because it basically fits the same way. It just slides on just like that, and now we're charging her. If you look on this side, usually you would see the lights here, but if I press it, you can see I'm almost charged. I need to get all three of those lit up. So the way you do it is you press this, and that tells you if it's charged or not. So we can leave it right on here until we get that. Now, if you look at the front of the Dewalt, you're going to see it's telling you it isn't charged yet. It's got that red doohickey on there. Now, to get it off the charger, and also to get it off any of the products that you use it on, you just come back here, squeeze this, and pull. Just like that. Kind of sticks a little bit. If you look on it, when I squeeze this, you see how that presses in right there? That's the mechanism that locks it in. It catches right there. So when you want to release it, you pull this down and it slips off of there. See how it goes flush? Then it pops up. So if you look on here, or on here, you're going to see there's a little track that would catch it. Okay, so let me just show you how it works on here. It's pretty simple. It's just like any of the other batteries. You just slide it on. Let me just show you. You see those little grooves on the sides? See the grooves here? There's your contacts here. Here's your contacts here, right? So you just kind of slide it on just like this. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Because it does have a charge on it right now. So for me to get it off, I just have to squeeze this, and then I got to kind of pull it. Just like that. So because that depresses that and then it releases. All right, let's take a look at this battery. This is the Dewalt battery. So you can see there's a pretty big difference in these two, right? I mean, this is basically kind of like the same kind of specs. And it's the same, you know, it's basically the same kind of system to put it on and off. But this one's a little bit thinner and lighter. This one's heavier. But I believe that this one lasts about twice as long. It's going to make your tool a little heavier if if you're strong enough and you got good biceps. But yeah, they look exactly the same. They work the same. You see here. Same kind of deal to get them on and off. And let's just go ahead and we'll just go ahead and charge this one. We're going to go ahead and put it on the charger. I've got it plugged in. And I'm just going to slide it in there and push it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you can look. We'll do it again. We need a little bit more charge on there. It's saying here that it's not charged, so we'll just leave that charge, and when it's done, we'll be ready to use it again. All right, if you like this battery, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome batteries. Peace out.